Okay, our next proverb is don't cry over spilled milk. It means don't waste time worrying about things that have already happened. Our sixth proverb is all that glitters is not gold. It means that appearances can be deceptive. Let's see it in action. Hello, students. Today, we have an exciting English lesson on mastering English proverbs. Proverbs are like hidden treasures of wisdom that add depth to your language. By understanding and using them, you can become a more effective communicator. Let's explore the world of proverbs together. Here is the first proverb that we are going to discuss today. Actions speak louder than words. Our first proverb is actions speak louder than words. This means that what you do is more important than what you say. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. John promised to help, but his actions speak louder than words when he volunteered at the food drive. Example 2. Sarah always says she's a dedicated student, but her actions speak louder than words when she's studying diligently every day. Okay, our next proverb is don't cry over spilled milk. It means don't waste time worrying about things that have already happened. Here are two examples. Example 1. When Tim knocked over the milk, he didn't cry over spilled milk. He cleaned it up. Example 2. After missing a question on the test, Maria didn't cry over spilled milk. She studied harder for the next one. Our third proverb is birds of a feather flock together, meaning people with similar interests or characteristics often become friends. Let's explore this with examples. Example 1. In our group, we all love movies. Birds of a feather flock together, right? Example 2. At the office, hardworking people tend to be friends. Birds of a feather flock together. Our next proverb is the early bird catches the worm. It means that being early or prepared can lead to success. Here are two examples. Example 1. Getting to school early helped Emily perform well in her tests. The early bird catches the worm. Example 2. The chef always arrives at the restaurant early to ensure a smooth evening service. The early bird catches the worm. Our fifth proverb is a penny for your thoughts. This is a way to ask someone what they are thinking or to share their ideas. Here are a couple of examples. Example 1. You look lost in thought. Can I give a penny for your thoughts? Example 2. As graduation approached, Lisa often wondered about her next steps. We'd gladly give a penny for her thoughts. Our sixth proverb is all that glitters is not gold. It means that appearances can be deceptive. Let's see it in action. Example 1. The new phone looks shiny, but all that glitters is not gold. It's full of glitches. Example 2. At the interview, he seemed impressive, but all that glitters is not gold. His skills didn't match his charm. Our seventh proverb is don't put all your eggs in one basket. This means don't risk everything on a single opportunity. Here are two practical examples. Example 1. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Example 2. Sophia applied to several universities. She knew not to put all her eggs in one basket. Our eighth proverb is when in Rome, do as the Romans do. It means adapting to local customs when you're in a different place. Let's explore it further. Example 1. While traveling in Japan, Sarah decided to eat sushi, following the when in Rome, do as the Romans do principle. Example 2. Starting at a new school, Alex quickly learned the when in Rome, do as the Romans do approach to fit in. Our ninth proverb is every cloud has a silver lining. It means that even in difficult situations, there can be something positive. Let's see it in action. Example 1. After the layoff, Amy found a better job, proving that every cloud has a silver lining. Example 2. Failing the test was tough, but it taught Jake valuable study habits. Every cloud has a silver lining. Our final proverb is honesty is the best policy. It emphasizes the importance of being truthful and straightforward. Let's explore it with examples. Example 1. When she realized her error, Maria was honest about it, proving that honesty is the best policy. Example 2, rather than hiding it, James admitted his mistake to the teacher. He knows that honesty is the best policy. And there you have it, 10 popular English proverbs with 2 practical examples for each. Proverbs are not just sayings. They're valuable life lessons in a nutshell. I hope you found this video both educational and entertaining. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.